Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Singing with Lauren. My name is Lauren. I'm a singer and a voice teacher, and today I'm going to teach you about Solfege 101. Now, Solfege is a great system that we use as singers and as teachers to help students usually with learning how to sing when they're younger. Also, we have the Kodalai hand signs that we can use that kind of pair a kinesthetic aspect to learning how to sing, and as well as singing the right notes. And then we also really use solfege in the teaching of sight singing and learning sight singing. So this is a video for students and teachers on just the beginning intro to solfege. So I'm working on a larger online course right now that will be about pitch and pitch improvement for you students out there. So if you're interested in that, come take my 5-day free pitch course. It's at singingwithlauren.com/pitch. It's a great chance for you to learn with me, and we cover lots of great stuff in that free 5-day course. So that's at singingwithlauren.com/pitch. Don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it. And without further ado, let's go into some sight reading Solfege 101. Okay, so when we're singing, I'm just gonna put these on so that I can hear my piano. With do, I like to use movable do, which means that no matter what key that we're in, do is always the home note of that key, right? So if we were in C major, do would be C. If we were in G major, do would be G. But for you students out there right now, I don't want to overcomplicate this for you. So let's just start with C on do, right? And so here's our do. Do, and I want you to put your hand in this. This is your hand sign for do. Do. Now we're gonna go do, re, do. So re is a whole step up from do. Do, re, do. Now we're gonna add mi, which is this. Do, re, mi, re, do. Okay, now let's go to fa. Fa is this, I always tell my students it's thumbs down. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Now let's go to so. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Now back down. Fa, mi, re, do. Now we're gonna go to la. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Back down. So, fa, mi, re, do. Now we're going to go to T. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Back down. La, sol, fa. This is the half step. Mi, re, do. Now we're going to go all the way to do. So this is the whole scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, awesome. So the spots that you want to be really careful with are between mi and fa, right? And ti and do. Those are the natural half steps in a major scale. And while you can sight sing in a minor scale, definitely you want to start with the easy major scale. You want to get that major scale in your ear, right? So that at any time, if someone gave you a random note, you'd be able to start with that note on do. And then using the tools of learning these learning the solfege and also learning the hand signs, you'll be able to sing a major scale from anywhere. This is a really important skill, and it's not extremely difficult to develop, but it's also not super easy, right? It does take work. It does take repetitive singing on this scale. So now we're gonna do a vocal warm-up using the same exercise, but we're gonna do it in time, right? So it's gonna sound like do, do, re, do, do, re, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. I switched hands and my my left hand is my weaker hand, but it is good. It's really good to practice doing this in both hands, and you'll feel in your non-dominant hand that it's definitely a lot harder. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, let's do them slowly together. Do, fists, re, tilt, mi, even, fa, thumbs down, so, palm facing yourself, la, little C shape, ti. I always remember T is that T points to do. So do this over and over again. So when I was learning how to do this, I would speak it, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. I would sing it. I would also write in, like when I was really having trouble learning a lot of choral music, a really difficult choral music, I would write in the solfege. And you can use accidentals in solfege. That's definitely another whole video topic. But you definitely can use that as well to help you with those trickier intervals. But maybe we can cover that in a different video, and I'll definitely cover that in the pitch course that I'm currently creating. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let's do one more scale all the way up. Okay, here's your do. Do, do, do. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Awesome. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you want more videos on sight singing and solfege, definitely make sure to let me know in the comments below. Maybe we can do a couple teaching how to sight sing as well. But all of this in detail is going to be in that course that I'm working on right now. And like I said, if you want to download that free 5-day pitch course, it's a mini version. That's at singingwithlauren.com/pitch. So hope to see you inside that free course, and we'll chat soon.